Hello guys and welcome to another video from Vintage Radar. Today we have this vintage Omega ladies watch which is powered by a mechanical movement, most likely from the 60s or 70s. The watch is in immaculate condition, so very nice timepiece. You can see the watch crown is signed. If you are new to the channel and enjoy this kind of videos, make sure to subscribe, like the video, and also check out our website vintageradar.com because we have thousands of vintage watches for sale, including this one. As you can see, it has a very small case. It has these very interesting hour markers. The watch winds very easily and is in working condition. We have a brand new leather watch strap with the gold tone buckle so that it matches the watch case. Very nice piece, Omega Geneve, Swiss made, and a very nice ladies piece. I believe it is around 20 to 25 millimeters in diameter. All the information will be listed on our website. So guys, if you want to check it out, make sure to follow the link in the description below. If you enjoy this type of content, subscribe, like the video, let us know in the comments below if you own any Omega watches, and see you on the next one.